Question 12 then. It says 82 children visit a sports centre, so 82 is crucial. 50 of the children swim, 50 swim. At least one adult needs to be with every 12 children who swims. One adult to 12 children, so 1 to 12, we could write that as a ratio, adult to children. The other 32 children dance, so the other 32 dance, so that's the 50, that's the 32, that's given us that 82, just a bit of information. At least one adult is needed for every 15 children who dance, so one adult for every 15. And this is for the dance specific, so that's for swim, that's for dance. Work out the minimum number of adults needed for the 82 children. So what you can't do is kind of mix the two ratios together. There's a specific one for swimming. You obviously need less children in your care for swimming, because obviously swimming can be dangerous. We don't want anyone drowning, whereas dance you might be allowed a few more kids with that. So we know that there's 50 children who swim. So let's work with this ratio to start with. So one adult to every 12 children, adult to child. We could just play around with this ratio, just building it up. So if we had 2 adults, double it, there'd be 24 children allowed. If we triple it, we could have 3 adults and we could have 36, so we could triple it. Whereas for 4, we could times by 4 and get 48. Because what I can see here is 12, 24. This is our 12 times table. So as we increase by an adult, so 5, we could have another 12 children, 60. So this is getting increased by 12. But if we've got 50 children who swim, can't just have 4 adults, because that doesn't cover the whole 50 children. So unfortunately, well, it's not unfortunately, because for safety reasons we've got to have more, we would need 5 adults for those 50 children. Although we could still technically have more children in our care, we'd still need 5 adults. So that's it for the swimming side of things. Now we're going to look at those who dance. So 1 to 15 for dance, but they've got 32 children. So if we had 1 to 15, we could double it and we could have 2 to 30. Again, there's 32 children who dance, so I need the next ratio up. So I need to add in another 15, so 3 to 45. So I'm building it up. I can add it consistently, or I can see that I'm timesing by 3. So for every 3 adults I could look after 45 children. So I've got more than enough, but I have to have 3 for those extra 2 children. So work at the minimum number of adults needed. I'd need 5 for the swimming and 3 for the dance. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So that question's worth 4. If you misinterpret it, but you show this 4 to 48 and 2 to 30, and you think, don't worry about the other couple of kids, and put 6, you pick up some marks, but not all the marks, because in real life we have to have more than enough adults to supervise, not, we'll just leave those 2, it doesn't matter, we'll squeeze them in. Health and safety, I'm afraid.